Hi friends, in today's video, we are going to unbox the 2025 Cupid box. This box is the first seasonal box of the year. So we're going to get a Cupid box, and we're going to get a summer box, which is the Liberty box. And I believe we're going to get like a Halloween box, and then we're going to get a Christmas box. So this is first of the year, and this is a Cupid box for Valentine's Day. So a little known fact about our family here, my son's birthday is on Valentine's Day. So he has a birthday coming up in less than, what, 9 days. So we celebrate Thanksgiving here at our house because his birthday happened to be on Valentine's Day. So with that being said, let's get on and open this box for today, right? So this is our Cupid box for this year, 2025. And so let's see what's in our box. So this is what our box look like in here. And so let's go in here and see what is in the box. I think I'm a little excited for this box. I don't know why. I hope that my excitement doesn't kind of like fade out. First thing in here is this right here. In this little pamphlet, we have a coupon behind it. And today we have a free pink rotary cutter case with a purchase of $40. And you don't have to try hard to spend $40 at a quilt shop. So this is what it looks like. Right here is the little pink rotary cutter case. So the QR code here lets you get this pattern for free on their website. The first thing that I'm going to pull out of this box, looking at me right here, is this heart magnetic tray right here, and it's Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This is called So Lovely Heart Magnetic Pin Caddy. So that's what this is called. It's for your pin. Let me try it out. There you go. It is a magnetic pin bowl. I don't think I'm going to use it for magnet. I think I'm just going to sit it on my table as part of my Valentine's Day decor. And it is, if you want to know how big this is, it's bigger than my palm, and I have big hands. So it's a nice size, and it's not glass. It's like a metal. It's a nice quality, and behind it, it's a magnet. So it's really pretty, and it is valued at $14.98. The next thing in our box is this needle minder right here. If you are a cross stitcher, you will be loving this. This is called the Sweetheart Enamel Needle Minder. It's the 2025 Cupid box exclusive. So I'm going to take it out and let you see it. This is what it looks like right here. It is valued at $8.98. This right here can stick just like that. All right. It's right on theme. So that's that. This is a sewn in label. This is called the Cupid Candy Heart Sewn in Labels. So this is what they look like right here. They are sewn in label. You sew it in your quilt just like this. If you are making a quilt, when you're done, you kind of sew it onto the end of it to give it that extra cute look. So this is what these are. This is valued at $7.24. So this is what they look like in here. This is also exclusive to the box. That's that right there. The next thing in our box are these lovely cards. This is called From My Heart Valentine's Day card set. There are 2 of them here. This is what they look like. This one has hearts, and then this one has hugs and kisses. I think it's a nice touch to write a personal card sometimes when it's necessary versus just writing a note or a text. This is what they look like. You have a total of 2 right here. So I actually have a friend with a birthday in February. So this is just lovely. I'll just use one of these to write her a nice note. These 2 right here with the envelopes are valued at $8.98. Okay, so that is that. This is so cute. It's flower and chocolate quilt pattern. And this is what it looks like. This quilt it's a 2025 Cupid box exclusive. It is valued at $9.98. The size for this is 40.5 by 48.5. It's a nice size. You can, of course, make it bigger if you wish. The value for this right here is $9.98. To make the 40.5 by 48.5 quilt like a wall hanging, you are going to need a background of 1 1/3, and then you are going to need 5/8 for binding, pretty much a yard. So you're going to use the fabric that comes in this box, which is this right here. This is designed by Layla Boutique, Vanessa Gertson from Moda, and this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure You guys have seen this by now. It has been all over the interweb. And so this is what it looks like here. I don't want to take it apart because it's so pretty, but I will show you the best way that I can. It's pretty much like a lovely red color, and you have all the reds right here, and then you have this check that would be great for binding, and then you have this love, and then you have it in this right here. This is so pretty. This would be nice for like background on any kind of quilt. And then you have this also that will also be pretty as a background for anything. Yeah, and then this right here, and that's what it looks like. So we have a total of, and it comes in another pink, and it comes in that color right there. And so you have the pink variation of all the other colors that we got, like that. And that's all we got. As much as I want it, I can't. I'm adhering to my own rule to not buy any fabric for right now. I do plan on making this quilt using this, and I will add to it with whatever I have on hand to make it a little bigger. So that's my plan with this. All right. The price for this junior layer cake is $29.98. So all in all, the total of the goodies that we got in our box for 2025 Cupid box, it is $80.12. This 2025 Cupid box is high on the marks. I love this fabric by Lila Boutique, and I actually like the pattern. You don't even have to use this as like a pin catcher. You can use it as a decor in your sewing room. It's very nice. So with that being said, so all in all, this is all we got in our 2025 Cupid box. This is our lovely pattern right here. This is the fabric. These are cards with the envelope. This right here is the needle minder, and that is our sewn in label. And I can't stop with this right here. This is very lovely. You don't have to put your pins in here. You can kind of just sit it out and just like that on your sewing table, and it just looks pretty by itself like that. The total of the item in our box for this 2025 Cupid box, it is $80.12. So these are all the things that we got, and the value is there. This right here by itself is $29, and I would love to hear your thought down below in the comments. Let me know if you received this Cupid box and what you think about it. Just so you know, as of today, when I check, you can still order your Cupid box if you would like one. With that being said, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.